Hi there, welcome to Get Data Solution. This is Sufi from Get Data Solution. Today we'll see about risk rating meter in an Excel chart, and where we get here the score, the risk level, and here the chart from good, moderately good, risky, high risk, and very high risk based on different factors we have employed here in data sheet where we have actually at least about 6 factors, and here is the rating, and it will automatically change as we go along different risk factors condition. So today we'll see this very important risk rating metric, and just before that this is Get Data Solution, where we have different where different products are produced, such as dashboard and other data management tools. And the purpose of this channel is to modernize data system, to save time, to generate automatic report, to reduce costs, to increase productivity, to manage project, to manage business, and to learn new skills. So those are the major purposes why this channel is actually working on data related topic. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe for this channel, and here is the reasons why you should subscribe. The first one is to manage your business. That will help you to manage your business and to manage your project as well. You can manage your project, to manage your work, and to automate your activity, and to increase your productivity. It helps you to learn new skills sometimes and help make informed decision. These are the major reasons why you should subscribe to this channel. In every videos you will get some of the benefit of this in terms of managing your, be it your project or work or business. It will automatically automate your activity, then hence increase your productivity, and sometimes you can learn also new skills. And you and basically the major one is also it will actually enhance you to give informed decision if you use our products. So that's why you should subscribe to this channel. And coming to today's topic, here we'll insert the data here in this table, and we'll get this beautiful chart where we can have a risk chart. So let's get into it. As you can see, here is the risk factors. The risk factors are phishing prone percentage, security awareness training status, breaching data, job function related gaps, user risk boosters, and group risk boosters are some of the risk factors. Here is the description for each of the risk factor. For example, for the first one, the phishing, how likely that a user will fall victim to a phishing attack. This percentage is based on the results of phishing security test. So that is the risk description for this. For example, the next one is for breaching the data, whether or not the user information has been found in one or more data breach through email and so on. So this is a description for each, and you can read the description in your own time. But the important thing is we have to assign the risk factor for each. What is the percentage of, or the proportion of risk factors, and then we'll rate according to reality on the ground. In this particular case for fishing, we have rated the risk factor as 0.1, for security 0.1, for breaching data 0.3, for job function 0.3, for user risk booster 0.1, and for group risk booster 0.1 is rated, and totally it should be 1. And then rating description is here indicated. Rating is 1 to 10, 1 minimum and 10 maximum for all similar. Here is the rating. So for fishing we have given the rating of 3, and then the weighted rating will be the rating times the assigned weight. So this data is given for fishing 0.3, for security 1, for breaching data 3, for job function related 1, for user risk booster 2, and for group risk booster 3, and then totally about 35%. So this is also reflected in our chart here. The performance of score is 35 and the risk level is good, and here the indicator also shows in the green bar. Let's change some numbers and see what it actually come up with. Let's take this 6, the first one, the fishing factor. Let's make this 7 and see whether there is a change. Yeah, the risk factor is, the risk level is here. The risk level is moderately good now, and the percentage is 50%, as you can see. Let's keep on changing the numbers for this. If I give 8, and for this if I give 5, so what will be the result? Oh, this will be high risk. It will be in a high risk area. Let's make this for example, to see, yeah, this is a risky function here. And then again 8, it is a risky high risk function. If I make this one for example 7, how it turn out? Yeah, it is high risk, still high risk. Let's make this 9. This is very high risk. So as it has been here indicated, the risk factor is keep on changing from good, moderately good, risky, high risk, and very high risk, showing different risk levels, and need our attention where should take appropriate measures. So how this is actually built is that we have a risk factors depending on our reality on the ground. Here we have the assigned weights for the risk. Here is the rating given by project implementers based on the reality on the ground, and then the weighted rating will be keep on changing, and the total will actually here reflected here, showing us the risk level. So it has also an instruction page here. The instruction page shows that how we have to insert the data, and here is the risk level. It has been actually indicated here from green for good, yellow for moderately good, orange for risky, red for high risk, and dark red for very high risk. Then we have to save the data and then use it. So here are also some of the advantage of this risk matrix. It is easy and convenient to enter data. It automatically generates risk rating chart. It gives big picture for the project and indicate change in the project risk. And this is actually good for follow-up, and this is recommended for agile team, scrum master, project or program managers, project or program team, M&D coordinators, and M&D and mill staff and team coordinators and individual project owners can also use this risk chart for their project, whatever they have in hand. So this is very important risk tracker chart, and we recommend this to use it. And thank you very much for coming to this channel. And as I have said, the purpose of this channel is to modernize data system, to save time, to generate automatic report, to reduce cost, to increase productivity, and to manage projects and to manage business, and as well as to learn new skills. In today's topic, where we have seen the risk rating meter in Excel, at least we have actually tried to realize some of these purposes. Thank you very much, and bye bye.